Your latest road updates.
Join 100% Australian energy retailer Red Energy. Call 131 806 or visit redenergy.com.au.
Snow, FM, weather. Remaining cloudy and pretty awful for the rest of the day.
Yo! So here we are on Dead Horse Gap. Dead Horse Gap.
Trekking up in the snow towards Kosciuszko, but actually we've went about 45 minutes up. We're both a bit tired. Nah, we're gonna turn around. We've seen the peaks, looks rad. But today the weather is also looking a bit hectic, so we're gonna turn around and save ourselves for another day. I think I'll be back here soon with potentially some skis and the wife.
Good idea. Well done, Eric. Also, as you can see, I've hurt my arm a little bit snowboarding the other day, but I'm trying to make the most of it. Getting out there. You can see my shoes a little bit snowy. Anyway, great day. Heading back to Brisbane later. Peace. Yes, you don't leave trash on the trail. Leave only footprints, as they say. Speaking of footprints, trusty walking stick. Nice view. Yeah, that's why I can't keep up with you. That's why I can't keep up. I am not a snowman, I am a slow man. There's the bricks. Well, that did look like a lot of fun seeing Erik slide down there, so I don't know, maybe I'll try it. What do you reckon? I'm not sliding very fast. Perhaps we walk the rest of the way. Alright, we're moving. There we go. Fucking tree. Walk the rest of the way. Actually, I haven't seen Thredbow before.
Right through, you can see the bedlam that is.
Thredlam.
Spinners.
There we are, Thredbow. Thread the bow. Have lovely chalets to the left. Ski hills behind them. Quite a nice place. Uh-oh. We even counted some traffic. One way only. We are stuck. No. Vehicles. Lovely day for a gondola ride.